issues. Therefore, I come to my last part. It is, to me personally, ridiculous that right now a woman has to either be on her route to a divorce or having taken a PPO to have some kind of leverage on asserting on this marital rape law. It is really quite an impossible situation, and I'll tell you why. It is very much linked, sorry, just one more minute. It's very much linked to our housing policy issues. Many of us, a flat is all gold to us. It's very hard to buy a second flat and all that unless you are, and the criteria and all the rest. A PPO, a person who has a PPO can live in the same house as the person who's being abused. Because where do you want to put the perpetrator? Outside in the corridor? Okay, he lives in the same house. If he really turns even more violent, that he or she, in some cases it's also a woman, then we impose a domestic exclusion order on him, which then means that he cannot enter that abode. Now when our situation of housing policies is so tied up with PPO order, DEO, how is a woman really going to assert if she really even finally picks up the courage to move forward? So it does become a very easy implementation of the law when we say, leave the house, then we will take action, right? I mean, do you think a woman who has left the house is going to bother to really go through this whole rigmarole of filing a report on that her husband has been raping her? She has already made some decisions. So I'm just wondering on the efficacy right now of the implementation even of the law, even under partial immunity. So with those questions, don't you think the work of what these three people have started is plenty to go around? And I just have to do one plug. We have a human rights consultation on August 22nd. Please look up our website. Thank you very much.